Guys, Dario here from Spotahome. We're with the landlady and we're about to show you a 4-bedroom apartment. This one is the bedroom number 1. You have your bed and desk right there. There is a shelf on top and a few shelves on the side of the desk as well. Wardrobe is right here and it's pretty big for the room itself. There's a mirror and the AC unit, which is also for heating, and you'll find that in every room. Left here we have the first bathroom. So there is a sink, mirror, cabinets, the heated towel rack, toilet, bidet, and the shower as well. There is also the window on the top left. All the apartment has been recently renovated, and as you can see, it's very well furnished. Right here we have the bedroom number 2, and we have the bed with the nightstands on both sides. There is a nice railing where you can put like your pictures and maybe some memos. You have the window with the blinds and the shutters. There's the AC unit. As I mentioned, we have one in each room. Oh, and a few more shelves right there, just on the side of the entrance. Second bathroom. And here the sink too with the cabinets right underneath, the towel rack, a few shelves, and the shower is on the right side behind the door basically. Here we have the living room, and it's like divided into a dining area with a table and a nice and bright sitting area with a big sofa. There is a little coffee table, a couple armchairs, and here with you over the city. There is a French door that will give you access to a balcony right there, and also on the other side. So you have basically one for each side of the living room. That's what it looks like from here. This one is the bedroom number 3, and as you can see, we have like the bed, double bed with the like side tables, which are like shelves in this case. We have AC unit, desk, more shelves on top of it, and there is still a big wardrobe behind the door. Bedroom 4 is right there, but at the moment it's not available, so we're not gonna show it to you today. And this is the kitchen, and it has fridge and freezer on that side. The kitchen itself is right here. It comes equipped. We have also an oven, the hob. There is right here a door that will give you access to another balcony, and this is where you'll have the washing machine and boiler. Perfect. And here we are again. Thanks for watching, guys.